So that's my place. If you come here, you can choose one of this. There's a lot, and there's a lot of bed inside, and it's a huge bed. It's not a problem. Okay, but you should be friendly because there's a lot of ghosts here. Papaya. But here, we still have bunga ng papaya here na gustong gusto kong ilahok sa tinola. So kahapon magtitinola sana ako. Pero dahil umandar na naman yung katamaran ko, nagpabili na lang ako ng chooks to go. Ulam ng mga tamad, ready to eat. Sumangga pa rin yan dyan sa likod, oh. Ayan lang siya. So, beach houses, tree house. Ang lalaki ng puno ng mangga na sa loob ng mga tree house. Tapos, nagbunga pa sila lahat. Iba kasi dito, meron din mga sampalok doon. But I love that tree in front of the resort. In front of the beach. That one, that has a red one. Flowers, that's the petals in the ground na nahuhulog. Ang ganda. Feeling mo parang may parang may nagpropose sa'yo kapag naglalakad ka doon sa buhanginan kasi ang daming petals. And anyway, yeah, this is mangoes. We have here may sampalok tayo, may chesa, iba't ibang klase ng mangga, may makopa, ano pa. Ang dami, may ano tayo dito, evergreen mango, kalabaw, tapos may apple mango. So, papunta pa yan dun sa dulo. Puro mangga talaga yan. Ang fresh ng view, no? Kasi kakaulan. And usually, talaga nililinis to dito. As in, malinis. Pero, ngayon nakakatamad naman maglinis kasi panay ulan. So, this is how it looks at back. So, mga tree houses. And then, puro mangga. So, hindi na to nalinisan kasi panay ulan. Although, nililinis talaga ito. Pero, ang dami kasing laglag na mangga, diba? Panay laglag siya. From time to time, naglalaglagan. And let's go this side. Front of the beach. So, still tree houses here. And that huge